In my latest short video, I asked you guys what medieval weapon I should make, and the top comment was a crossbow. So you guessed it, I made a crossbow. Now in this video, I'll show you how I built this crossbow, and I also included free templates, linked in the pinned comment or description to download them. So anyways, this is how to make a medieval crossbow from cardboard. To start off, I cut out this piece 9 times and glued them all together to create the stock or main structure of the crossbow. This is what will be used to build the rest of the weapon on. After that, I cut out 3 duplicates of this shape to create the actual cross of the crossbow. Then I glued and stacked all 3 of them on top of each other. So basically here what I'm doing is I took those 3 pieces that were glued together and I'm just bending them one way to create the curvature of the crossbow. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this piece and the main structure piece and I'm just going to glue it to the end, just like this. And here's what the crossbow looks like right now. If you've been following along, it should look like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 3 pieces, lay them out, and glue them on top of each other, making sure that the largest piece is on the bottom. After that, essentially what I'm going to do right now is bend it to shape. So see where the curve starts? You want to bend it about right here, about a 90-degree angle, and do the same on the other side. About where the curve starts, you want to bend it so you have this shape, and bend it slightly in the middle like this. So now you have something that looks kind of like, I don't even know what it looks like. And then these 2 extra flaps you just want to bend inward, resulting in a piece that just looks like this. Now I'm going to take that ring shape thing and just glue it at the end of the crossbow. Just like this. Okay, so here's what the crossbow looks like so far. It's looking pretty good. Now we're just going to add some extra details. So now I'm going to attach a string to the crossbow. Right here I have some twine. I'm just going to glue it to each end of the actual cross. Okay, so here's the crossbow now. The string actually adds a lot. Makes it look a lot better. And you can even pull back too. So I guess that's an extra plus. Okay, so essentially what I'm doing right now is I'm just cutting out all the extra detail parts to put on the body of the crossbow. So what I have here is just some cosmetic pieces I'm just going to glue to the side of the crossbow. These are purely just to make it look more detailed, a little better. Again, they're just being glued here to the side. But I am going to wrap them in duct tape. This step isn't completely necessary, or you can paint them, but I'm just going to wrap them in duct tape. Okay, so here I'm just going to show you how I go about wrapping stuff in duct tape to give it like a smooth, finished look. So here I just have some silver duct tape, and I'm just going to slap it on this little piece right here. And you're going to want to take a sharp blade, detailed knife, X-Acto knife, whatever, and you just want to cut little slits into it. Okay, so now once you have those little cuts in there, you can just push the tabs inward. And essentially what this does, it just makes the tape able to wrap around the piece smoothly without making the ugly creases or crinkles. And you just press them down and trim off some extra tape if necessary. And so yeah, that's how I wrap my stuff. Of course, if you want to paint it, you can obviously just paint it. But I went with this approach because it's just a little easier. Now I'm just going to glue these silver details onto the side of the crossbow. And here's what the crossbow looks like so far. Here I'm just taping the end of the crossbow just to give it a more refined look. Okay, so the final steps of this is I'm just going to wrap the end in tape. After finished taping, the crossbow is now done. I'm really happy how it looks. I do need to figure out how to make it functional, but for now I'm actually really happy with where it's at. It's a good looking prop, can be used for skits. Overall, I think it's a good project. If you like this kind of stuff, medieval weapons and armor, you should totally subscribe. Check out the rest of my channel. Till next time.